In this video, you will going to learn about image processing with different images and how you integrate Excel file with your data with proper name and time, and installation using Anaconda with virtual environment. Install Anaconda, then go to Py shell, open Py shell, put these command. I will give the command in the description. The commands are conda create new virtual environment, conda install, code for dlib. Then put this command. After giving this command, you will going to create the virtual environment. Why we are creating this virtual environment? The reason is you cannot install every packages because all the packages are interconnected. So by creating these virtual environment, you can access to the particular package that are important. dlib package is a very heavy package for machine learning algorithms, and it is basically built up of C++ tools. So activate the conda virtual environment, the name given virenv, and then just a second. Now just give the second command, conda install dlib -c install dlib. Now after installing, you have to open the particular folder in your favorite IDE. I use PyCharm. You can use Pyder or Jupyter, anything. It will take a few minutes. So after installing dlib, now install cmake. Just edit dlib and write cmake. The process will be going to be the same. The same process will be carried out, and then Now install face recognition underscore face underscore recognition. After face recognition, you need to install opencv, and after opencv you need to install numpy. Maybe numpy is predefined, it will be pre-installed. But you need to cross check once. uh, this will for assurance, let's check whether numpy is there or not. I guess it is already there. Yeah, all requested packages already satisfied or installed. Now move to the PyCharm terminal. I'm using the community version. I've already written the code. I will provide you the code in the description. The understanding of the code is very important. How the code is working, how the steps are going. You can copy the code and you can paste in your terminal, but you need to understand the code. So I have to check it once and give you a demo how it is working. Let's go through it. So I'm opening the image of Jack Ma in my phone and I will run the program. And here's the webcam and showing the image of Jack Ma, and the webcam is detecting the Jack Ma. And now and now you can see in the CSV folder the Jack Ma is stored with the date and time. And when this CSV folder is open in our folder which we have given the name attendance, and you can see the Excel file with the name and the time, the record has been stored. And this integration is very awesome and very interesting, and you can further enhance this project with your creativity. Let's go through with the code. You need to import particular packages and the path of the images and the list. Then you need to apply the for loop for getting the list with the count, and then the function for encoding of the images. And then you need to mark the attendance, or you need to mark the record. For that you need to enter the particular lines of code. And then the video capture for the webcam, and in this particular shell the face recognition and integration of the Excel file is there. And last, cv2.video